Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso.com, and in this video we're going to take a close-up look at the ARB Zenith rear bumper for the brand new Ford Bronco. Now this is one of our favorite bumpers at SEMA in 2021. We mentioned that in our video where we went through all the bumpers, and there are a lot of different options out there, and these ones really stand out to us. They are really nice looking, and they come in at a great price point, and they are absolutely packed with features. The ARB engineers really designed and developed these things to be an incredibly robust bumper that has a lot of features and functionality and is incredibly sturdy. And that does mean that the installations are quite a bit more involved than other bumpers in the industry, but well worth it when you see the result. Now, we made a separate video about the front bumper, which we also love, and it has an integrated LED light bar. And if you'd like to learn more about that bumper, check out this video right here where we go into the details on that bumper. And then check out our videos in the description for the installation guides for both the front and rear bumpers. Now, I'm not going to go into as much detail as I did about the front bumper because many of the features are the same, but this bumper is made out of 10 gauge steel, so it's extremely sturdy and robust, and then it's double powder coated black for durability. It also features these integrated recovery points, which are powder coated a gloss red, which give it a really nice look, but they're also extremely tough, allowing you to get pulled out of or pull anyone out of a problem situation. Now it also features this gunmetal gray plate, which gives it a really nice accent. And I just love what they've done with the colors in this bumper, because most bumpers in the aftermarket, it's just all black and that's all you get. And in this case, it's just got a much more interesting look and appearance. It's more dynamic than anything else that we've seen out there. And that gray really matches the front skid plate. And if you get the whole ARB under tray system, it really ties the whole room together, if you will. Now, of course, you're also going to retain your parking sensors. That's a tech feature nobody's going to want to lose. And you'll notice that it doesn't have a place to mount the license plate, but they've relocated it up here. They include that bracket. The light you're going to have to rewire, and we'll show you how to do all that in our installation guide video, and you're going to want to check that out right here to see if you're going to do that yourself or have someone do it for you. Now, just one note about installation. We did run into a problem with our twin tip exit exhaust here, so you may want to look at getting a single tip exit or a corner exit exhaust if you're going to be running this bumper. Now, if you'd like to buy this bumper, click this link right over here. That's going to take you over to Motoroso.com where you can look at the price. You can reach us on live chat, and you can call us toll-free anytime at 833-MOTOROSO. We love helping Bronco customers plan out their best Bronco build. Now, if you'd like to learn more about that front bumper, check out this video right over here. That's going to take you over where you learn all about the Zenith front bumper, which is the mate to this. And make sure you subscribe to our channel for all of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.